Yoast SEO is a powerful plugin for optimizing your WordPress website for search engines. Here's how to use it effectively. Install and activate Yoast SEO. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Yoast SEO and click Install Now. Once installed, activate it. Configure the plugin. Use the Yoast SEO setup wizard to configure the plugin. It will guide you through the settings like your website's type and whether the site should be indexed by search engines. Optimize posts and pages. Open any post or page in the editor. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO section. Enter your focus key phrase, the main keyword you want the post to rank for. Yoast will provide an SEO analysis with suggestions like adding the keyword to headings, meta descriptions, and the first paragraph. Write a compelling meta description to improve click-through rates. Manage sitemaps. Yoast automatically creates an XML sitemap. You can access it under SEO, General, Features, and submit it to reach search engines like Google Search Console. Advanced features. Use the readability analysis to ensure content is user-friendly. Use the schema settings to add structured data for better search visibility.